everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD in the LTZ trim in a beautiful Summit white exterior. With just under 60,000 miles, this Silverado is equipped with a 6.6 liter V8 gas engine. It is four-wheel drive. It does have one minor on the Carfax with 3 previous owners. In the front, you will find this Silverado well equipped with high-intensity headlights, LED daytime running lights, and fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, accompanied by front proximity sensors and 2 front recovery hooks. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, we'll have an Aftermarket Fuel Brand Wheel, 20 inches, high-gloss black, wrapped up in a like-new all-terrain tire. And we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like an aftermarket lift and suspension. You also have LED clearance lights up top with turn signal indicators integrated right into your mirror cap. And on the reverse side, you will have your LED reverse light, blind spot monitoring, and you will also have passive door entry. Looking inside, you'll be met with a black on black theme with a lot of nice elements, including leather, dark gray stitching, and faux wood grain. And as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this LTZ. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these heated and cooling front seats with leather upholstery with power adjustments on both the passenger and the driver's side. And if we take a look up top, you will have a powered sunroof as well. Additionally, located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection report. Here you can see all the tires are brand new at 1630 seconds all the way around. The brake pads are brand new as well, and everything else is green, checked off by our technicians. And guys, we take care of the wearables here at All Things Automotive, so you don't have to shortly after purchasing here. Looking into the back seat, a crew cab here, obviously, plenty of space back here for your rear passengers. And they'll also enjoy nice features like heated rear seats, a flow-through center console, USB and USB-C, and a 12-volt outlet. You also have storage cubbies in the back of the seats here, and a fold-down cup holder and armrest, and a powered rear sliding glass. Coming around to the 6.5-foot bed, this Silverado is equipped with a hard tri-fold cover, LED tail lights. You will have your side steps and your rear integrated steps as well. Looks like we have rear proximity sensors on this LTZ with all your towing equipment, and that does include your 4 and 7-pin wiring and your heavy-duty hitch receiver here. Of course, high definition rear camera. Let's go ahead and drop the tailgate. Easy tailgate down, really nice spray-in bed liner, LED cargo lighting, and an additional 120 in the back. Making our way to the driver door, you will notice all your powered options such as power windows, door locks, and memory seating. You can set up the 2 profiles. And here we'll have your power mirror adjustments. Not only are they power folding, you also have power telescoping capabilities. To the left of the steering wheel, you have your trailering mode, followed up with your 4-wheel drive selections and all your lighting options. Additionally, here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. And as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, tailgate release, and panic. Once inside, you will see this Silverado is equipped with a push-button start. Let's go ahead and confirm the mileage here. Just under 60,000 miles here in the center display. And as far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, you have your cruise control selections and your option for your heated steering wheel. And to the right, you'll have your selector for that center screen and the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. And that does include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also have a Wi-Fi hotspot, and other audio will include AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth connectivity. Let me go ahead and engage the rear camera here. As you can see, you will have your towing and guidance lines and even your zoomed in view for your hitch. Makes it super easy when you're hooking up to the camper or trailer. Down below, you have some dual automatic climate control, so either side can stay comfortable, complete with heated and cooling front seats here. And down below, you also have the options to turn your proximity sensors on and off for your park assist, tailgate release. You'll have your 4-ways here with traction control on and off. You'll be able to supply power to all your 115s and 120s, downhill descent control. And as part of the tow package, you will have that integrated trailer brake controller, followed up with USB and USB-C and 12-volt outlets. In the middle, you'll have some nice storage here up front, on the side, cup holders here, and a nice deep storage console as well with LED lighting. And here you'll also have an additional USB, USB-C, and an auxiliary for that alternative audio. Bringing our attention up top, you will have an auto-dimming rear view mirror, all of your controls for your powered sunroof, powered rear sliding glass, and you will also have integrated garage door openers. And as you can see, you can program up to 3. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will find a 6.6 liter V8 gas engine. As you can see, super clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew always does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this Silverado has received a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Silverado. Keeping in mind that it's a pre-owned vehicle, none are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting in the front here, let's take a look for any stone chips on the hood, on that lip. You will see a small one there. See if I can focus in on that. Other than that, pretty clean. You're gonna have some cosmetic blemishes just right above your high gloss black trim piece here. Other than that, beautiful Summit white exterior here, guys. Your headlights are nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation. All the way down to your lower bumper, you will have a little bit of wear and tear from the road, so a couple stone chips. Other than that, great shape. All your grill inserts are in great shape, and even your paint matched splitter here, really good shape, but you are gonna have a few stone chips. Coming around the wheel and tire setup, no curb rash on that nice aftermarket fuel wheel. All the way up to your badging and your mirror caps, everything does look good. I wanted to go back here a little bit because I did want to mention here your Z71 badge looks like someone tried to coat that, so that is going to be not looking very nice there. Maybe we'll see if we can restore that, but I don't think so. Our detailers probably did not do that because it's not easy to take that stuff off, especially when you have all the details in there. So I did want to let you guys know that that does exist, that Z71 badge. Someone tried to aftermarket dip that and it didn't work out. Coming around to your badges here, everything's good. Your mirror cap, good. Coming around here, everything looks great. Slight scratches here on your door handle. Your high gloss black trim pieces here in your outer door trim. Slight scuffs, but in pretty good condition. As you can see here in your passenger side door card, no rips, stains, tears, or anything like that. Now here on your door sill plates, they are gonna have some pretty considerable wear, as you can see. All the way up to your interior dash trim pieces. Everything looks good. No rips, stains, tears, or anything like that in the leather. And no odors, super important here at All Things Automotive, no smoke odors. Okay, your headliner's nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation, and so far, no dents or dings. Coming around to the back seat here, I'm looking for scuffs and scratches on the backing of the seats. Everything looks really nice and clean, clean carpets, no rips, stains, or tears on the leather. And coming around to your 6.5 foot bed, I see some light scuffs here. Around your wheel and tire setup, your trim looks good. No, I do see some curb rash on this wheel here. And as you can see, someone wasn't paying attention. Tail lights nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation, no hazing, no fading. You are going to have some scuffs and scratches just above your hitch receiver here, and a couple of paint chips. So not perfect back here. A couple of spots here on the tailgate, right on that, I don't want to call it a body line, but where that metal rolls over. Paint chip here, and a few cosmetic blemishes here around your camera housing and latch. And then you're going to have some scarring here on the trim piece on top of the tailgate. Let's check out the driver's side here. Looks like no dents or dings in the vehicle body. Let's check out the curb rash on this wheel. A few light spots here. Not worth replacing. A few light scuffs and scratches here on the driver's side bed. All the way down to your cab corners and rockers. Everything looks good. All the way up to your high gloss black portions. Light scuffs, as you can see. A couple blemishes here on your driver door handle, but other than that, a very clean 2500 gas truck here with the aftermarket wheels, lift, and suspension. LTZ trim, guys, right before the high country. So give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7 at allthingsautomotive.com, and you can even get yourself pre-approved. It's a super easy process, and it only takes about 10 minutes of your time. So we hope to see you guys at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.